Welcome back everyone. So today we're going to focus on shared element transition in React Native. Just a quick demo. What do you want to achieve today? The shared element transition. How is animating from that screen to another screen the image. And it's really nice thing, and it's looking very nice. You can see that in your real device. It's really awesome. So for these we need to install two packages. So let me show you the package. So we need to install these two package and use yarn to install it. If you're using npm, so you might get some error while doing the transition. So I already fixed that, and so it's solved by using, if I use yarn to install it, it solved my issue. And I am using my previous project that I used in bottom tab navigation, bottom tab animation like LinkedIn, as you can see. And I am running on my real device because my emulator is giving me some issue. And so we need to install this. I already installed these two packages. I'm just going to show you the version. And I'm also using React Navigation 5. So React, this is the version, this one, and this one. So you need to install these two packages, and nothing more. And I also created a single screen for each product. A single screen for each product. So we want to animate this image. It's called shared element transition. One screen to another screen. While changing the screen, it will animate to the next screen. And so we need to install these packages, and then we are good to go. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and share your thoughts on the comment section. It's really helps the YouTube algorithm. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss my future video. And if you like my work, you can buy me a coffee, link in the description. So for share element transition, and so first we're going to look to this particular screen. So we want to animate to next screen. Like we're gonna start with the image. So image will animate to this screen. Over here it will be animate from the previous screen to this screen. So for that, first what we need to do, we obviously need to install these packages, and after that we're going to, just let me put that side by side. So first we need to go to this list screen. So we have a component that's called product list, and inside this we have this component where we have the list. And let me refresh it one more time so you can see the animation at the beginning that we have. And yeah, this one. So I'm doing this using Animatable. You need to install this React Native Animatable plugin. So I'm going to provide the link in the description of the packages and the Animatable and my project GitHub repo also. So right now we want to animate this image to the next screen. So for that we need to wrap this component with shared element. So we need to wrap with shared element, and we have to specify a ID for each shared element. For each transition we need to specify a specific ID for that. So we're going to pass a ID, and you can simply pass the item ID, or you can also simply pass the item image. So if we are going to use multiple transition in a single screen, then it's better to pass the actual parameter we are using. So I'm going to pass item.image. You can also pass item.id, that's okay. And we also going to we also need to wrap the image like this image over here with shared element. So we have a page called single. So you also need to wrap this thing, and it's already wrapped by a view. And so if we are going to use shared element, so we can simply remove the view. We can simply remove the view with shared element. It's not imported yet. Yeah, I also need to pass the ID over here, the same ID. We need to pass the same ID that we have passed in the previous screen. So in previous screen we passed item.image, so we are going to also pass the thing to item.image. And for shared element to identify that these two things will be transitioned from one screen to another screen, we have to do one more thing. We have to call this thing, and we have to pass shared element. Sorry. I'm going to get the route, and inside that route we're going to I'm just getting the data of the item, because we are passing the whole object to single screen. So I'm just getting the data to identify the screen, because we specified some ID over here. So you also need to over here we specified some ID to transition. For transition we also need that particular ID over here. We just need to return an array, because we might have multiple transition. That's why I need to return multiple. That's why I need to return an array. So we have item.id, sorry, not id, item.image. So this is the thing we need to do, and we also need to add something in app.js. So currently we are in Stack Navigator, we are using create Stack Navigator. So we need to change this thing with create shared element, create shared element Stack Navigator. Just we need to change this thing, and we also need to enable the screen. Just need to import enable screen from React Native screens, and just need to enable this, and I think we are good to go. And just need to enable screen, and we just need to replace the create Stack Navigator with create shared element Stack Navigator, and we need to wrap the image or the text we want to animate from one screen to another screen. Just need to wrap that with the shared element component, and we also need to wrap that particular thing in other screen also. So just we are wrapping the image, specifying the ID, and same ID we are using over here, item.image, and here also passing the same ID, and we just need to like tell the shared element that we just need to transition, we just need to continue transition with this particular ID, and just it's going to look for the particular ID, and it will find this one, and it will complete the transition from that screen to this screen. So let's check if it's working. We haven't made any error or not. So we have in the screen, and first it's not showing the image. So why? First we need to check why it's not showing the image. Yeah, because we also have to pass the style over here. Sorry. So right now it's not working. So we might made any error. Just look for the documentation. Yeah, it's supposed to in capital letter. We passed that in capital letter. Previous it was shared element, and it will be shared elements with a small s. So now we're going to refresh our page one more time. So reload our app one more time and see if it's working or not. If we click on the image, we can see it's animating from there. It might be showing some lagging because they're running through Anydex, and we can see as the image is flicking, because it's not like it's not a smooth transition for the image. So like image is disappearing, and after a second it's coming back. So for that issue, we just need to change the image. I just need to change the image tag with fast image. So if we use fast image instead of this, it will solve our issue. Just need to replace image with fast image. And we also need to replace the image with fast image over here. You can simply copy from there. So now, sorry, fast image. Now if we reload our app, we can, if we click on the image right now, as you can see, it's showing a smooth transition. Image is not disappearing right now. You can see a smooth transition. See, it's working. And if you didn't use yarn to install, so if you are clicking and checking the animation, if you click multiple times, it will give you an error. So for that particular thing, I suggest you to use yarn, and because that solved my issue, I tried to raise an issue in the particular package, but nobody is replying. So I find it like I just simply try with yarn to install the package, and it simply solved my issue. So it's working. And if you want to like slow down the animation, it's like really quick. It's really quick. Just if you want to slow down the animation, we can simply also do that. And for that we used this thing over here, and you can also do that in app.js. so if you comment out it over here, you can also do that in app.js. so in particular screen we are using the transition animation in particular screen. So for that you just need to pass shared element config, and so it's also same thing. We just are going to receive the route, and inside the route we are going to so just need to do the same thing over here. You can simply do that over here. I can simply do that in a particular that screen. I prefer to do that in the screen because you don't want to look your app.js messy. So see, it's working. And if you want to like slow down the animation, you can simply add something. So in that over here you need to add inside option we have something called transition spec, and inside that whenever we open we want to animate with timing, and inside config we want to pass the duration. So it will take some time to animate, like 350, and we have to do that same thing for close also. So now if you save, and it will take some time to navigate from one screen to another screen. So if you click right now, so it's slowing down, it's not going in a hurry way, it's slowing the animation, it's much better now. You can simply change the duration to 400 or 300 according to your taste. So it's working everything. You can also do some animation in particular single screen. You can also add some animation like this text. So we want to wrap this text with a view. And just want to use this animatable to animate over here. I'm just going to simply copy paste everything from the previous screen, and we want to translate into y-axis from bottom to top this particular text. We really want to copy everything from over here, and instead of view we are going to use animatable dot view, and we just want to use the native driver, and the animation here, animation constant, and the delay option. Animation constant and the delay option will be 300. See, if I say one more time, so now if you click, yeah, it's coming from the bottom, it's looking much better now. This is React Native shared element transition. Let me know if you like this video, and yeah, this is it. So So two things you have to keep in mind: use yarn to install, and if you are and use fast image instead of image component from React Native, use fast image. So that will solve the issue of image disappear and image is loading one more time, or image is not going to that particular position properly. So it will solve all the issue about image. So use fast image for that, and use yarn to install the packages. Yeah, so that's it. That's the share element transition, and I'm also going to share the project GitHub repo in the link description. So let me know if you like this one, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you really like my work, you can buy me a coffee, link in the description. And don't forget to suggest me the next topic for my video, and give it a like and share your thoughts in the comment section. It's really helped the YouTube algorithm. And see you in the next video. Bye bye. So